What is something that people crave every single day? Some people have too much of it, while others have barely any at all. Some people even call it the best thing on earth. What am I talking about? I'm talking about food. Hey, I'm Alex Weik. I'm your chemical engineering girl here to talk to you a little bit about the different ways of food processing and different techniques used by engineers to help protect, preserve, and enhance the foods that we consume. By different food processing methods, I'm talking about pesticides that we spray on our fruit that kill off bugs so we can have more crop. I'm talking about when you go into a grocery store and you look in your produce section and you say, which lettuce brand do I want to get? I pick the one that has the hard shell. That way it has a longer shelf life and I can eat it for longer. And also I'm talking about the sterilization methods so that we don't have mold and bacteria on our poultry and the new technological advances that come with that. So my first topic is about fertilizers, herbicides, and pesticides and how they protect and enhance our food. So fertilizers actually enhance our crop, and they're very, very important, more than ever than they are today. Pesticides kill the bugs that are on our crops, and herbicides kill the weeds. So that's why it's kind of important to wash your produce after you get it, because you have all the herbicides, pesticides, leftovers kind of on your fruit. So you want to make sure that you scrub it with soap and water. Another thing is the number one fertilizer that is huge and still globally used is the Arbor-Bosch method. And with this method, it contains nitrogen so that the plants get to their optimum growth level and we can have as much produce as possible. And this is very important for farmers everywhere. So my second main point is about the advances in food processing and packaging. And what I mean by food processing and packaging is the nutritional values, the calories in our foods, and that sort of thing. Engineers kind of tinker with the ingredients that are in foods, such as a study that I read about, which was about the extracting a protein from a mushroom and using it as an emulsifier or a binding agent in certain foods in the place of fats and sugars. That way we can reduce the calories in foods and we can be skinnier, which makes everybody happier, doesn't it? So, especially Americans, because we have that problem with obesity. Anyways, packaging is also very important. American engineers have come up with the highest quality packaging. One company is Artisan Lettuce, and what they do is they have a plastic hard shell that they put their lettuce in, and it maintains optimum freshness while not getting smushed. My third point is the new sterilization methods used. Before modern technology packaging, people would depend on locally grown items. That's why people had so much farmland, cows, and everything like that. They would also do traditional canning, which was when they heated up certain foods and then they airtight sealed them. Nowadays, the FDA has approved a method of irradiation, and they do that on chicken so that it doesn't have mold or bacteria on it. So hopefully you've learned a little bit about the behind the scenes of food and what to expect about the qualities of some of the foods that are in a grocery store, and you can look up things for yourself. Food processing techniques have many possibilities to come. And here is my note card. Thank you.